Okay. So I've got my horizon line. Now it's a little bit wonky, I think, on your screen, but just pretend that that's straight. And I've got my center line. And notice how I'm kind of moving my arm to get these points. That's a little bit rather than moving my wrist. Arm helps it stay straight. Okay, so, and then I'm adding the other two sides. So I can get my, I'm kind of just testing the line and then go, yeah, that's a pretty good angle. And then I've got the box. Okay, so now what we're looking at is how you can cut into a shape to make more complex shapes. So let's try making this a little bit of an L shape. So what I can do is go, okay, I want to kind of cut it in half this way and cut it in half this way to make like an L shape. So now that I've got this here, remember, if this diagonal line is coming down here, then there needs to be a straight line here. And then this is hitting here, needs to be a straight line here. So we can always think that straight lines need to match up with the tops going to the perspective points, and anything that you have coming from the perspective point needs to make a straight line as well. So we got that. Now, obviously, so if the tops of every straight line need to go back to the perspective points, this here is going back here, but it's not going here. So then I'm going to also go back there. And then this here is not going back there either. It's going here, but it's not going back there. So I'm also going to... I'm just realizing in real life I actually twist the paper a lot. I can't twist the paper because this is drawing. So if you're doing it in real life, feel free to twist the paper because you can get a better angle and it will make this a lot easier. Or just use a ruler. Yeah. Oh, actually I've got a ruler. Maybe I'll just use that. Oh, and it fits. Sweet. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Much better. Cool. And I'm gonna do this properly as well with a ruler as well. All right. So there we have, now you can see we've kind of made like an L shape, right? Just darkening some of these lines so you can see the shape a bit better. But, you know, we can just keep going with this. So we just cut into a cube to make another shape. We can also extend. Quite an easy one now because we have some of these lines. We could extend this and make this into a full X. So let's say we want to extend going back, right? Let's like have the same thing going back here and make this into like a cross, like a cross like that. So just, I'm going to pretend this keeps going back and I'm going to imagine it has a thing and then it goes down. So that's going to, I can't see that because it's behind here. So all I can see is that. And then this is a vertical thing. So it needs to connect with my point. It does here, you can see. Now it connects there as well. And so now I've got the back of my cross. And let's add a side as well, you know? I'm going to connect this a bit better so you can see it clearly. Yeah, I've got this coming out here. Nope. Just going back here. All right. And I've basically got all of these parts here. You can see them already. I've basically got them all. Just need a downward part. Let's say about here. I'm kind of eyeing this. Go back there. And then you can see I've got the rest of my whole cross as well. So I've got now this. And I've got the whole cross shape here. For you guys, now, I mean, and you can keep going. Like we could add, what if we add a box on top? Let's say I'm going to add a box on top that's about that big. And no, let's stop there. All right, let's stop there. All right, that's your cross.